Okay, so I just read about this project called Timelinize that lets you organize your entire digital life into a cohesive timeline. Sounds wild, right?
Wait, seriously. Like all my photos, messages, and even location history all in one place. How does that even work?
Exactly, it imports data from various sources like social media, emails, even GPS devices. It's like a personal archive of your life.
That's fascinating. So you mean it gathers data from the cloud and puts it all on your computer? What's the catch?
Well, it's still in active development, so it's a bit unstable. You have to start from scratch when there are updates.
Ah, that makes sense. What about privacy? I mean, how does it ensure that no one else can access my data?
Great question. Since it runs on your own computer, you have full control over your data, no cloud service meddling.
So it's like a digital scrapbook that's totally yours. That's pretty empowering. But can it really handle all that data?
Totally, it has this fancy SQLite database that organizes everything by date, so you can browse your life chronologically.
That's pretty cool. I imagine it could be like a living family history tool. What a unique way to connect with past generations.
Right, you can see how your life events relate to larger historical happenings, like global events or weather patterns.
Wait, imagine zooming out and seeing your life timeline alongside major world events. That make reflection so much richer.
Exactly, and it's even entity aware, meaning it recognizes people or places related to your data to provide context.
That's unexpected. So if I receive a text while at a specific location, it can map that out even without geolocated data.
Yes, it's like a digital detective piecing together your life's narrative, even from scattered bits of information.
I love that, but how can it identify the same entities across different sources? Is it reliable?
It uses algorithms to match data points, but if it fails, you can manually merge entities, a neat failsafe.
That's a smart approach. Still, I wonder if there's a chance of inaccuracies in the merging process.
Definitely a possibility, but keeping your original data helps mitigate any issues during that process.
So it's like a safety net for your memories. Still, I have to wonder how intuitive the UI is.
From what I've seen, it offers various projections and filters, making it user-friendly for exploring your data.
That's crucial. A clunky interface would totally defeat the purpose of organizing your memories.
Exactly, and it allows for repeat imports, updating your timeline as your digital life grows. Such a thoughtful feature.
It really is. But what happens if I decide to change my computer or something? Is that data portable?
Yes, since it's all stored on your disk, you can easily transfer your timeline to a new machine.
That's a relief. I'd hate to lose all that hard work collecting my memories.
For sure, plus it's open source, so you can keep improving it or even suggest new features.
Wow, that's so empowering. I can see this project evolving with user feedback. What a great community aspect.
Absolutely, and the motivation behind it is personal, aiming to connect with family histories, so heartfelt.
I love that. It makes the project feel more meaningful rather than just another software tool.
Exactly, it's about reclaiming and preserving our histories, especially in an era where data feels so fleeting.
That's such a powerful idea. It's like building a legacy with our digital footprints. I'm really intrigued.
And think about the potential to create a global super timeline, connecting personal histories on a larger scale.
That's a mind-blowing concept. It could turn individual memories into broader narratives of humanity.
Seriously, but it also raises questions on data ownership and how we interact with tech, right?
Exactly, who gets to own our memories? And what happens if a central service shuts down?
Yeah, it's a double-edged sword. The liberation of data is essential, but we need to think critically about implementation.
Totally, it's exciting, yet it demands careful consideration. What a balance we need to strike.
So if you could use it, what would you want to include in your timeline first?
I'd start with my travels. Capturing those memories with photos and messages would be a fun trip down memory lane.
That sounds awesome. I'd probably dig into old family photos and stories. It'd feel like time traveling.
Totally, and watching how our lives intertwine with history. That's a captivating prospect.
Absolutely, it's like creating a personalized narrative that stands the test of time. So cool.
I can't wait to see how timelinize evolves. It's such a compelling tool for connecting with our past.
And to think it all started as a way to back up photos. Such an inspiring journey of growth.
For sure, it reminds us of the importance of preserving our digital selves in meaningful ways.
Definitely, it's a reminder that our stories matter and we have the tools to keep them alive.
Absolutely. I'm excited to see what the future holds for timelinize and our digital legacies.